This video is about workflows. I'm going to go over kind of what they are and kind of give you an example. So you may be wondering what a workflow is. Workflow is just like a campaign. So something triggers the workflow and it sends out automated text, emails, or whatever you have it set up on. And it's a great way to do this if you have running events. So whenever anybody submits a form, answers a question, does a survey, moves pipelines, whatever it is, workflows are the meat and potatoes of the system. Now, depending on what plan you're on, if you're on the starter plan, you get some workflows, but you do not get all of them because you don't get access to the funnels and website builder. So what you're going to do is you go to automation from your dashboard or anywhere, and you'll see here workflows. So there's two things. So you're going to get some workflows depending on the industry that you're in. Or if you want to create a new workflow, you can do that as well. So you create a new workflow. You have some basic templates, and I'm not going to show you them all, but there's some basic templates. I like to do start from scratch. That's just kind of what I like to do. But then again, you're going to get a lot of workflows in your plan, so just edit those or duplicate them. So what you want to do is go back to workflows. And I'm just going to show you what a basic workflow looks like. In a separate video, I'm going to detail exactly what each thing is in the workflow. This is more of an overview of what a workflow is and how powerful they really are. Because I call this system free up on purpose. This will free up time, also providing you consistent follow-up with your leads, your clients, vendors, whatever it is. It's going to be a great follow-up. So for example, here's like the holiday emails template or workflow. So what it is you have a trigger. What triggers the workflow? On this one they get added to the workflow holiday emails. So as soon as they get added to have that tag added holiday emails, boom, they get into this automatically. And then it goes down through the process, which is a really nice thing. And I'm going to show you a different one because this one, let's do a event management. This is exactly the same one I do for all my events. So if you run events, client appreciation events, seminars, speaking, whatever, this is perfect for it. So the trigger is they register from a form and you pick up what form it is. So for example, for this one would be, let's say, a master class. You pick whichever form it is. And then you go down, you set what time the event starts and what date. And this is your trigger. This is the guideline for anything that follows. The reason why I say that is there's one that says wait 14 days before the event. So if you want to make sure your date is correct, because then this will send out two weeks before the event. But then it goes through. So once they've automatically signed up for this, they get dumped into here. So you get notified. That's what internal notification is. And I use these little custom fields, so I get notified when somebody registers. I have them add a tag. This is a demo account, but you would have a tag. So let's say it's a client event, 2024 holiday photo shoot. You can have that tag. And then this is the wait step. So it waits a minute, and you can customize how long you want these to go for. And then whoever signs up for this survey or signs up for this form, then they get a confirmation email, and then they get a confirmation text. And you can edit these right here. Click on it. I like to use these custom fields because then it just adds a little personal touch. And those are right under here. So custom values, contact is the person that signed up, you are the user. And there's tons of things you can just add right in there, which is fantastic. And then it just goes through. So as the lead is moving through the system, it's all automated, which is fantastic. So this will free up so much time in your schedule that it's invaluable. And like, for example, I have it set up so they get 2 hours before the event. So the wait 2 hours before the event time, which was set earlier, before 2 hours. And then whenever you edit a step, make sure you save action. And then before you leave the screen, make sure you hit save. Now it's set on draft in the upper right. So draft ones don't run. So if I want this to be an active workflow, make sure you click publish. But Yeah, so that's the basic workflow. You're going to get tons of workflows, but if you have questions on workflows, reach out to us. These are fantastic to duplicate and copy, and they're very, very powerful stuff. So if you're not using workflows, you're really missing out.